And the concept behind the shelf is really simple. As people's collection of books and objects grow, wouldn't it be nice to have furniture that could change accordingly? And so after exploring lots of different ways of doing this, I ultimately decided upon a wall-mounted shelf where the divider could be infinitely and quickly adjusted by hand to accommodate a wide variety of different numbered and sized objects. And in the past few shots, I've been cutting my components out of a sheet of 12mm pine plywood, first using the jigsaw to roughly break the sheet down, before machining to final size with a table saw. And I've chosen pine plywood for two main reasons. The first is because I wanted a really flat and strong material, so that the divider would have a consistent surface to reference off of. And the second reason was because I wanted the shelf to be reminiscent of timber shipping crates, humble objects which fulfill their purpose of storage and of transportation in an extremely simple yet efficient way. And so you can see here that I'm changing the angle of the blade to 3 degrees, and this is because the entire top edge of the carcass is going to be at 3 degrees from the back, and this allows the divider, which is cut marginally oversized, to not contact any material when it is first being installed, but to be securely locked into place along its whole length once it is pushed to the back. So once all of the components have been cut and sanded, we can then secure them all together with screws. And I've decided to keep all of these visible, and that's because I wanted to continue the honest and humble theme present within shipping crates who use exposed nails for their fixing method. And with that done, the shelf can be secured to the wall using 4 screws, 1 in each corner. And then it can be loaded up with books and with vases and objects, with the dividers being installed and adjusted to where they're needed. And although you can ensure they're square just with your eye, you can also use a conveniently located book for reference. And so that's the wedge shelf. A simple way for furniture to change as you change.